I've knit a tiny sample of triangle 1 of the 3-act play scarf, so I want to take you through it. If the information you're looking for is how do you know when you're done the triangle, this is how it should look at the end. Your tail that you cast on with should be at the left. You should have a selvage edge at the top, a selvage edge on this side, and your stitches should be sitting on this side of the triangle. These are your open stitches, and your yarn should be attached to the ball from the bottom of the triangle. When you start, I ask you, I give you a tip, to put a marker, removable marker, on the wrong side because the increases for this triangle are worked on the wrong side, and that shapes the triangle. I put eyelets in mine, as you can see, and the eyelets are in the mods pages. They're the variations, and you can do this whole scarf in garter stitch, and my first one was in garter stitch. So I chose to do the eyelets on the wrong side row over here as a purl row, as a yarn over, purl 2 together. Just because I wanted a working row where I'm doing the increases and the eyelets, and then on this side I'm merely knitting. So it gives you a kind of different looking eyelet formation. On the back it looks more or less the same. On the front it actually gives you a stockinette setup. Whoops, in the way, everything's in the way. There we go. A stockinette setup where I have a right side knit row and a wrong side where I'm working the yarn overs, and I think it's kind of interesting. If you hate purling, you don't want to do this. You want to do your eyelets on the knit row and do your increases on the wrong side row. There you go. When you're done, you must end on an increase row, a wrong side row. So here we are again. This is the depth I got to for my scarf. I suggest 8 to 10 inches. My cast on tail is to the left, selvage edge, stitches open on this needle, yarn attached to the ball down here at the bottom. There it is, my little tiny sample. Thanks.